Hello student, welcome to DSCG Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School Chandrapur, District Ramban, क्लास 6 to 10 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश ग्रामर। एक बार फिर से मैं आपके सामने मॉडल्स को लेके हाजिर हूँ। मॉडल्स पे हमने पहले 4-5 वीडियोस में हमने डिस्कस किया मे, माइट, कैन, कुड, विल, शैल एंड शुड एंड वुड। तो मस्ट की भी हमने बात कर दी। आज हम बात करेंगे नीड एंड डेयर्स की। नीड एंड डेयर आर कंसिडर्ड सेमी मॉडल्स। नीड एंड डेयर को क्या कहा जाता है? सेमी मॉडल कहा जाता है बिकॉज दे कैन बी यूज्ड आइदर एज मॉडल एक्सिलरी और एज ए मेन वर्ब। नीड्स नीड एंड डेयर आर कंसिडर्ड सेमी मॉडल बिकॉज they can be used either as modal auxiliaries or as main verb. The modal verb construction is restricted to non-assertive context. The modal verb construction is restricted to non-assertive context, that is mainly negative and interrogative sentence. That is mainly negative and interrogative sentences. Whereas the main verb construction can always be used is in fact the more common. Where the main verb construction can always be used is in fact the more common. सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं need. Need as a modal auxiliary verb is in negative in term, it indicates absence of obligation. Need as a modal auxiliary verb in negative in term, it indicates absence of obligations. It expresses the speaker's authority or advice, and it is used for the present and future. For example, you needn't type this letter. The speaker is the authority. It could be his boss. You need not type this letter. Yeah, you needn't type this letter. The speaker is authority. It could be his boss. But need can also be take do auxiliary, and in this case need can also take do auxiliary. In this case, it express absence of obligation as well as, but in this case the speaker is not authority. Absence of obligation as well as, but in this case the speaker is not authority. You don't need to type this letter. You don't need to type this letter. Here it could be conversation among colleagues. यहाँ दो colleagues की बात हो रही है. You don't need to type this letter. As a main verb, need mean require. जब main verb यूज होगा need का मतलब तब require होता है. As a model, the form of need are needn't or need and is used in negative and interrogative for all the person in present and future tenses. Need in such construction take bare infinitive. You need not talk to her. You need not talk to her. Need he talk to her? Interrogative question. You needn't wear a tie. Need I wear a tie? It is interrogative question. Need is sometimes used in formal English with hardly, scarcely or only. Sometimes used in formal English with hardly, scarcely or only. I need hardly say how pleased we are to welcome Mrs. Sita here. I needn't say. You need only touch one of the button for all the alarm bell to start buzzing. You need only touch one of the button for all the alarm bell to start buzzing. If you even touch one of the button, all the bell will start buzzing. As already stated, need not expresses the speaker's authority or advice. Expresses speaker authority or advice. You needn't remind me again. You needn't remind me again. You just set the alarm on. You just set the alarm on. I am in no hurry. I am in no hurry. He needn't send it by speed post. He can send it by ordinary post. He can send it by ordinary post. The use of needn't in perfect tense denote an unnecessary action. The use of needn't in perfect tenses denote an unnecessary action which was nevertheless performed. He needn't have written such detailed essay. He needn't have written such detailed essay. The essay was to be written in 300 words only. You needn't have bought such a costly gift. You needn't have bought such a costly gift. It means wastage of money. You needn't have written to him as phoned me shortly. You needn't have written to him as phoned me shortly, but you had written, thus wasted time. They needn't have left home at They needn't have left home at 8. The train doesn't arrive till 10. They needn't have left home at 8. The train doesn't arrive till 10. So they will have 2 hours to wait. Needn't in direct speech can be reported unchanged in indirect speech. Need not in direct speech. Need not in direct speech can be reported unchanged in indirect speech. You need not play till the 30th. She say or said. You need not play till 30th. She say or said. She says said, I need not pay till the 30th. You needn't pay till the 30th. She say or said. She say or said, I need not pay till the 30th. Need when used as ordinary verb. Need when used as ordinary verb in negative take auxiliary do. Need when used as ordinary verb in negative take auxiliary do. Need conjugated with will or shall, do or does, did, etc. Take the full infinitive. It sometimes occur in affirmative also. I do not need to write him anything. I do not need to write him anything. We will not need to attend the court. She did not need to remind me. She need to be careful. As a main verb, need take s with subject, singular number, third person. In present tense and in past it take ed. In present tense take s and in past tense take ed. He needs my assistance. I need your help. He needed my help. They needed a sofa set. Thank you.